because of that. I'm loving it. You can really tell the difference. Okay, it is time for the Stratosphere. So listen, we got your hair in shape with the juice, and then we styled it with the today's special value. But if you're someone you feel like your hair falls or it doesn't hold its style, I know you're not using this. Because if you did, you wouldn't feel that way. This is truly what you get if you want to keep your hair volumized. This is your Stratosphere, the Mega Stratosphere 2-piece kit. And let me just grab my card there for the info. Thank you, because we have great value on this. Okay, cool. Just wanted to check that. Okay, so the Bounce Cream that you see right here normally would be $76.47. The Mega size, they're both Mega size, this Texturizing Spray would be $53.96. If purchased separately, $130. We have dropped the price by more than half. You're getting both home, not for $103. You're getting it home for 5 easy payments of 10 with free shipping and handling. I'm going to tell you right now, this was a little special offer, well, a giant special offer. We're not doing this again. We don't have auto delivery. Grab this now. Yes. Is this a wet and dry solution?
Yes, exactly.
So basically,
so perfect
this,
with the
if you picked up this today's special value,
this you want.
This is a must-have.
Exactly. Especially if you, the Stratosphere line is vitamins, minerals, and an oxygenated formulation that literally swells the hair from the inside out, but it is so super light that you don't feel it. This, I'm showing the
is this the regular size? Okay,
yeah.
Look at the difference between
look at the inside.
regular size and the Mega
Here's
size.
the great thing, because everybody tells me their husband steals this stuff.
Wait, can I just hold this for a
so
second?
Now they don't.
Look at the difference in the size.
Yep.
Regular size, Mega size.
So now you can share and not worry, right? Because look at the inside of that. But I just wanted to bring this out because you've never seen a wet styling product like this before.
Yeah, it's wild.
I mean, it's wild, isn't it? It's like, it's a whole different formula that I worked with my chemist on because I had told him my clients complain constantly that their hair just collapses at the root. So you take a little pinch, a little piece, you're gonna put that into your hands when your hair is wet. You're rubbing it into the hands. You're making sure you go right to the root. Okay. Now with Barbie's hair, I could even feel, like her hair just wants to lay down. She likes it to lay up. And she's ready to lay down after today. So we put it in before we use the Elite Air. And then now that we have the style.
Elite Airs are today's special value.
Right? And then now I'm gonna go in with this volumizing texturizer, right? This is not a hairspray. I can use as much as I want. It actually just thickens up that hair, swells it up, gives it the texture to really, like, if you've got short hair, like Barbie's, and you don't want to grow your hair up, but maybe you just want a different look. Yep, she goes, yep. This is something.
Barbie, I love your hair.
Isn't it great?
One of my favorite, it's really one of my favorite hairstyles out here because I just think it's so modern and cool and like just so on trend.
Right.
But also like classically pretty. Like it's just it's a great haircut. It's really gorgeous. No, you know what I mean? Like it's like not a hairstyle that like 5 years ago you're gonna look from now you'll look at the picture and be like, what was I thinking? It's like this hairstyle that like kind of it's always gonna look great. It's so modern and cool.
And even as short as she is,
so pretty.
Just coming in here, you can't use too much of this. Like it's not hairspray, there's no stick in it. But notice how I'm taking her short style and actually making it look longer. I mean, when I turn her to the side, like she's got some depth now, she's got some thickness.
So pretty.
So cute.
Okay, so lots of people are buying more than one. Here's the regular size, here's the Mega size. The the Mega size of the Bounce Cream, that's a $76 value. This is a giant size of the spray. That is another $53, $54 value. If sold separately, it's truly $103 worth of product. It's gonna last you a long time. You don't even need auto delivery because your auto delivery is basically these giant sizes. It will last a very long time. You're getting it home for more than half off. Free shipping and handling, 5 easy payments of $10. Can we quickly say hello to Deborah in Georgia?
Yes,
I think she had some questions. Hi, Deborah. How are you? You're on with Sandra, but more importantly, Maria's here.
Hi.
Well, okay. While I've been watching this, I ordered the today's special value. As I've been watching this, I may stay on the line and order this.
Okay.
I have bought other Calista tools, beauty tools, and they were fabulous. In fact, one of them I passed on to my daughter and granddaughter.
Oh, nice.
But I cut my hair last year. My hair was really long, and I just needed a change. So I cut it off, but I've not been able to style it the way I really want. And now I am loving. I've ordered the TSB at midnight, and I'm probably going to come back and order this.
Okay, so Maria,
Yes.
if Deborah gets this, or anyone watching, what is Deborah going to achieve with this pack-up? Because it's not, Deborah, this is not hairspray, and it's not a typical styling product. So, like, what's she going to be able to do with this?
So, Deborah, you're only going to take a tiny bit. You will love this. It's just like a, I mean, it literally just a little more than a pea, and because you said you cut your hair a little shorter, right? You said you cut, So you're going to need that much. You're going to rub it into your hands. Get it all over the hands when your hair's damp. And you're going to go right into the root with it. You can bring it out to the ends, but start in the root for the lift. Because then you're going to use the Elite Air that you just got. You're going to get
So she's going to put it in
style.
wet hair, then dry it.
With the
and then what's she getting out of the spray?
Right. This spray, it's not hairspray. This is for you to get the volume to stay in your hair. It literally acts like a cloud in there and gives the texture that we need for our hair to have that fullness and thickness that stays all day.
So you're not spraying it, Deborah, all over your hair like a hairspray. You're getting into the hair to build the hair up. And then if you want to put a little hairspray on, you can, but it's not like you tease your hair and then spray it and it's like locked. It actually gets in there, builds the hair, and your hair's still like touchable.
Feel it, right?
Yeah,
right?
it's like
you're touching it.
Deborah, it's basically like you grow more hair.
Yeah. That's what it is.
Well, that's
exactly
what I need.
right. That's
well,
exactly
actually,
right.
I don't have a lot of hair.
Yes.
But it gets flat at the root, and when I dry it, I even dry it like it's straight up, and it still falls. So I'm really excited
this is for
about
you
this
then.
too. So
Oh, Deborah, this is for
between
you.
both products, I should be fine.
I love what you said. It's still soft. That's what this does. It changes the texture so it's not soft. With Amanda, she has really fine hair. When we see her before, you see like it's soft and it kind of wants to lay down. We want enough texture so that when you add curl or something like that, I mean, she's been here all day. Look at the stack on that bob. You know, that's not going anywhere.
Great.
Isn't that great? And it really, literally, you can't overuse the spray. I mean, you can get in here. It's not because there's no stickiness to it. And really, literally.
It's not sticky. It's just building up the hair.
Exactly.
Right. I've actually used your volumizing spray before too, and it's another version of a Calista volumizing spray, and I loved it.
Oh,
It
good.
smells great too, by the way.
But Deborah, I think now that you've cut your hair, I mean, you can use this on long hair too, but I think now that you cut your hair, I think the Stratosphere sounds like the way to go for you.
For sure.
Oh, it sounds like it. Sounds like it. Absolutely.
Well,
I got a lot of compliments on the haircut, but it's not. It's kind of fallen flat for me. So I'm really excited about both products, the TSB and this. So,
Deborah,
okay.
Thank you. This was a great call, and I think your question's so common. You probably helped a lot of people. So thank you for asking it. Have a great weekend.
Thank you.
Yeah, you too. Thanks a lot.
Enjoy.
Bye-bye. All right, you're getting 2 mega sizes. You're getting the wet product. That's the Bounce Cream. Normally, this is over $76. You're also getting the mega size spray. That's normally about $54. If sold separately, $103. You're getting it home for way less than half off. Or way more than half off, I should say. 5 easy payments of $10. I know, I can't even talk. I'm distracted by your hair. With free shipping and handling. That's
This is what we're talking about.
gorgeous.
So there's no need to tease your hair. 1, it's not good for your hair. We know that. And 2, it's really not the look of today. If you need your hair to appear thicker, feel voluminous, have that staying power, we're just going in. Now, when her hair was wet, we put in the cream, the Bounce Cream, blew it. You know, she used the, whoa.
So
I
pretty.
turned around and I was even surprised.
Do you know, this is a great thing to put in your hair before you put your hair in an updo or a ponytail, because then you have a little bit of heft to the hair.
Oh, look at that. See, you have seen Jill all day. Notice how now we're actually giving this style a texture, like a sexiness. You know, it's just, and look, I cannot overuse that. I go in there, make it as thick as I want.
It's so pretty.
Doesn't that look great?
So pretty.
I like, can you shake it and show them? See, it's still soft, touchable,
It
movable.
still moves.
Yep, and I'm even gonna talk about what you talked about. Now, if we go up, now we have, like, there's thickness to it.
That was worth it just for that. Okay, so you're saving more than half. Instead of $103, you're getting it home on Easy Pay for 10 with free shipping and handling. If you want the juice, shampoo, and condition treatment, there are 400 remaining, and then